kudde då. Kolla. Royal. Drottningen har en sån här, eller? Jag backar nu. Tror jag. Nu rullar det lätt. Va? Nej, det var lite ont luft, ja. Det ska vara värt det. Vi ser hur det här var då. Jag ska upp här. Sen brukar jag lägga en kloss här emellan. Det finns ingen... My neighbor's Stiga Park Royal is at my place now, and we have a deal. I will fix this Stiga Park, he will supply me with parts, and I will get some videos from it. So it's a win-win situation. Maybe you have a Stiga Park like this. It doesn't have to be exactly the Royale. They made a bunch of different ones, President and Senat or whatever. And you have something that you need to do on it, then you can write a request in the comments here. You can write something like, maybe, Nils, can you show me how to change the steering wheel, or something like that. And I will have a look at the comments, and maybe I will make a video showing you how to do this kind of work on Stiga Park. That was just sort of a sneak peek into what is coming up on the channel. There will be some Stiga Park videos. I have been doing a lot of rider videos, but now there will be also some Stiga Park videos. So I hope you will like that. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.